class. Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your uh, Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notification settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on notification categories. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come to updates and announcements. Just click in this sign that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean updates and announcements notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.